Hey everyone, Unusual Whales' mission began to expose congressional trading as Congress continues to outperform the markets year after year. To that end, on September 15th, 2022, Unusual Whales became the data partner for Subversive Capital, and together filed to launch not one, but 2 congressional trading ETFs. As of February 7th, 2023, both Unusual Whales Subversive Democratic Trading, ticker NANC, and Subversive Republican Trading, ticker KRUZ, are live and available for trading. Now you can follow along with congressional trades as they're reported and track how those trades perform in our fight for congressional trading transparency. For more information and the full prospectus of the congressional trading ETFs, head over to unusualwhales.com/ETFs/Congress. Now here's what various news and media outlets had to say about the Unusual Whales Subversive Congressional Trading ETFs.
And they're not doing anything about it. Unusual Whales, shout out to him. He's really one of the guys who sparked this whole movement.
Who is Unusual Whales?
He's like an anonymous Twitter account, and he's one of the first people who actually
independent journalist type.
Yeah, he published the first trading. This was like 2021, whenever maybe 2020 actually. We're some of the first people who actually picked it up originally about the congressional trading numbers, and we went through the exact Senate. And he loops it all together as an institution and the way that it was able to beat the market consistently year after year after. And this is all publicly available data. Shout out to him. He's a great dude.
Yeah, definitely give him a follow. He's really
he does really good work.
And
yeah, you can actually see it all right there. The full trading report on politicians in 2022, and again, totally bipartisan.
Yeah.
Debbie Wasserman Schultz, Patrick Fallon, Susie Lee, David Joyce, Gary Peters. All look at the blue and the red there, all within the graph, and you can even see, like, look, it's everybody, like from all across the board. People who are supposedly against the system, people who are totally within the system, and that's what makes it so disgusting. We have got to ban this.
So let's talk about title, because when I see title and 485 APOS, which is the number, the label for a new filing, I get excited. It's like Christmas morning. Your filings are always so interesting. You've got the congressional trackers, the NANC and the KRUZ. You have NOPE. You also have one that was filed that I find interesting, the Meet Kevin ETFs. Now, we have seen maybe a little bit of a move into influencers using their platform and launching ETFs. So can you talk about where this might go and why this might not be as silly as it looks?
I want to talk about that vetting process because in addition to Meet Kevin, which hasn't launched yet, Eric mentioned the congressional trading ETFs, and it caught my eye. I know you love them. Twitter loves them too, but Unusual Whales is at the start of that filing, and Unusual Whales is a very popular FinTwit account that I've been following for a while. So you've got Meet Kevin, you've got Unusual Whales. What does the due diligence process look like in vetting these?
It's pretty well known that politicians regularly beat the market. Now you too can trade like a member of Congress. Enter NANC and KRUZ, 2 exchange-traded funds that mimic stock moves made by Democrats and Republicans. The new funds, launched Tuesday, are powered by Subversive Capital Advisor and Unusual Whales, an option flow platform that tracks congressional trades. While 2022 was the worst year for the stock market since 2008, Congress remained relatively unscathed. The S&P lost 19.4%, while Republicans gained 0.4% on the year, and Democrats lost a mere 1.8%. It's the second year in a row Unusual Whales has highlighted the phenomenon. The platform has a clear agenda to ban politicians and their spouses from trading individual stocks.